Nicholas Kraus, the man accused of driving his car into a group of protesters in Uptown and killing one of them, made his first court appearance today. Gordon Severson is live at the Hennepin County Courthouse with the very latest on that story. Hi, Gordon.
Hey, Rena. Yeah, this afternoon, Kraus's public defender requested a mental evaluation to see if he is mentally competent to move forward in the case. So as of right now, the bail process is on hold until his next scheduled court appearance, which is on August 3rd. And Kraus will stay in jail until that time. Meanwhile, there are some new questions about his history with DWIs and whether anything could have been done to prevent this tragedy in the first place. Nicholas Kraus has a long record of drinking and driving. Court records show 5 DWIs between 2007 and 2016, including 2 felonies. So how did he get behind the wheel of a car?
The system can't look at every person all day, every day, and that's the problem we have with this.
Criminal defense attorney Marsh Hallberg says, looking at the case, it doesn't appear that the system did anything wrong necessarily or missed something in Kraus's criminal history. According to the complaint, Kraus told police that he, quote, used a loophole to get a car. He allegedly bought it from a friend, and the friend hadn't transferred over the title yet.
Without trying to attempt to register it, nobody's going to know. And supposedly his friend did not know he didn't have a valid license, and so gosh, I wouldn't have sold it to him otherwise.
Another interesting detail in the case is, according to the Hennepin County Attorney's Office, officers noted that Kraus was drunk at the time of the incident. A blood test is still pending, but if you look at the 3 charges filed in this case, none of them even mention alcohol or being under the influence.
And it may be that they choose not even to go down that road, because sometimes you don't want to give a jury the options of finding you guilty of lesser included offenses.
Hallberg says Kraus's defense team could potentially use the alcohol argument to try and get a shorter sentence, arguing he's guilty, but not for murder, for felony DWI, or vehicular homicide, which both carry shorter sentences. Hallberg says being that Kraus basically admitted to a harsher crime, prosecutors are going to do everything they can to make that harsher crime stick.
Yeah, had he not said that, we'd be looking at a vehicular homicide case, a DWI case. But having said that, added that to this.
And Hallberg says there are a few scenarios that we might see in the coming weeks in this case. The defense team may decide to try and push to add vehicular homicide or felony DWI to this case, or use some of those lesser charges in some sort of a plea deal. But as of right now, Kraus is charged with second-degree murder, which carries a maximum prison sentence of 40 years. Rena, back to you.
And much more to come on this one. All right, thank you, Gordy.